New case study related to the chapter Statistics. The president of a society organizes a free medical camp for the people of the society. During the medical camp, the weight of the 60 children were recorded, which are as follows. Weight more than 0, 60 children, more than 10 kg, 56, more than 20, 40, more than 30, 20, more than 40, 10, and more than 50, 3. Okay, this is a question. What is the frequency of class interval of 30 to 40? Now first we have to prepare a table of taking class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20 and so on. So we can draw here more than, take 0 to class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and 50 to 60. Okay, the 50 to 60, more than 50 given that 3, and the more than 40 10, it means 7 minus 7, 10 minus 3 7. Now more than 30 is 20, 20 minus 10 is 10. More than 20, more than 20 is given as 40, 40 minus 20 is 20, and more than 10 is 56, 56 means 16, and 0 4, only 4. These are the frequencies of the different class intervals: 4, 16, 20, 10, 7, 3. These are the frequencies. Now take the table of class cumulative frequency: 4, 16, 4, 20, 20, 20, 40, 40 plus 10, 50, 57, and 57 and 3, 60. Okay. What is the frequency of the class interval 30 to 40? What is the frequency of class interval 30 to 40 is 10. The answer of 1 is 10. The frequency of 30 to 40 is 10. What is the frequency of class interval 30 to 40 is 10. What will be the lower limit of median class? Okay, the lower limit of median class. The lower limit of median class means n equal to 60. Here n by 2 equal to 30. The cumulative frequency 40. In this class interval, this is the median class. Just 40 is much more than the 30. This is the median class. And the lower limit of the median class is 20. Median class is 20 to 30. It means lower limit is 20. The lower limit of median class is 20. Okay. Next, the sum of the upper limits of median class and the model class. Sum of the upper limits of median class and the model class. Upper limit of median class is 30. This is the upper limit of median class, 30, and the lower limit, the upper limits of median class and model class. The model class is this one. The upper limit is also 30. 30 plus 30, 60. The model class means which has the highest frequency. This is the model class because the frequency is the highest. Then 20 to 30 is a model class. And 30 plus 30, 60. The answer is 60. Estimate the mean weight of the children. So just we have to find the mean of this table. How to find the mean? First we have to write the class marks xi. 0 to 10 is class mark is 5. 10 to 20 is 15. Now 20 to 30, 25. 30 to 40, 35. 40 to 45, 50, 45, and 50 to 60 is 55. Just direct method. Fi xi multiplied by frequency and xi. 4 into 5, 20. 15 into 16, 240. 20 into 25, 500. 10 into 35, 350. 7 into 45, 315, and 3 into 55 is 165. Now sum of these frequencies Fi xi. Now add 1590. The sum of the all frequencies is 60. We know that f is 60. Now mean equal to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. It means 1590 divided by 60. Cancel 0 or just divided by 6. 26.5. This is the mean weight. The right option is 26.5. How many children have weight less than 20 kg? Okay. The weight of children whose weight is less than 20 means 16 plus 4, 20. The weight of 20 children less than 20 kg. The answer is 20. Okay. Thank you.